Read The Muddy Path Friends. This is Shelley. Shelley is a tortoise. She is very slow. She loves sunny days. This is Remy. Remy is a squirrel. He is very fast. He loves to run and jump. One morning, Shelley saw a sign. "Sweet berry field, way over there," she read. The path to the field was long and muddy. "I cannot walk so far today," thought Shelley. "I am too slow." Remy ran up. "Zoom! Berries! I will go first," he chattered. He wanted the sweet red treats. Remy tried to cross. Squish! The mud was too deep. "I cannot run through this alone," he cried. Shelley slowly walked to Remy. "My shell is strong," she said. "I can carry things, but I cannot see the best path." "My eyes are sharp," said Remy. "I can find the best path. You can carry me." So Shelley walked and Remy guided. Left, Shelley, now right, now straight. The path was still muddy, but they were together. They crossed the path. They shared the sweet berries. Shelley and Remy smiled. Slow and fast is best together,